Connecting your eero 6 to a Spectrum modem requires understanding bridging and bypassing. Bridging, the recommended method, disables the Spectrum modem's router functions, turning it into a simple pass-through device and preventing double NAT issues. This allows your eero 6 to handle all routing, DHCP, and firewall duties. Using bridge mode allows eero to handle DHCP and QoS functions, which are key to prioritizing devices. Bypassing involves physically removing the Spectrum modem, usually not recommended with leased equipment, and connecting the eero directly to the cable line, requiring a separate modem purchase. Since Spectrum uses coaxial cable, the eero 6 connects via Ethernet from the modem's LAN port to the eero's WAN port. The goal is seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Begin the setup by gathering your equipment: an eero 6 router, your Spectrum modem, an Ethernet cable, and the eero app on your smartphone. Next, connect and power on your Spectrum modem. Plug it into the cable wall outlet and wait for the connection lights to show a stable online status. To access modem settings, connect a computer directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and enter the modem's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. In the modem settings, navigate to Advanced or Firewall settings and enable Bridge Mode or IP Pass-Through. This disables the modem's routing functions. Save your changes and reboot the modem. It will now operate in bridge mode, passing the public IP address directly to your eero router. Once the modem has rebooted, connect an Ethernet cable from the modem's LAN port to the eero's WAN port to establish the physical connection. Power on your eero 6. Download the eero app and follow the setup prompts. The app will automatically detect the bridge connection and configure your Wi-Fi network. Finally, run speed tests to verify you're getting your expected internet speeds. Add additional eero nodes for expanded mesh coverage throughout your home.